So yeah, I'm back. Yo, what's up? Good day. Josh here. I'm back with this little guy. I got my microphone. This is the Blue Yeti Snowball Ice mic. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, this is the Blue Yeti Snowball Ice mic that I purchased in Shopee last week. So, mayroon na akong microphone. So, expect nyo na meron ng narration yung vlogs. Medyo mas maganda kasi yung nafe-feel ko pag nagba-vlog, tapos I put some narration. So, ayun, sa mga susunod na vlogs, meron na yung narration. And well, wait for the next vlogs na parating. I just try this little guy here, pero hindi ko pa to nakakalikot, and I don't know anything about audio engineering or audio thing, you know. But tingin ko okay naman to. Hindi ako professional about this, but yun. So, yun. Test ko lang and wait for the next vlogs. May susunod na vlog, yung jam namin with Manila Soul dun sa South, Kiladudut. Itong isang araw lang. Panoorin nyo yun, check nyo yun. Music video lang yun in sessions. Tapos, the next one is yung summary nun, na may konting narration and stuff. Naghihiwalay ko lang talaga yung session and yung mismong nangyari or yung thing doon sa channel ko. So, if you have time to watch my vlogs, just check my vlogs on my YouTube channel at Josh The Journey. Dati yung Breakboy Josh, pinalitan ko. So, makita nyo doon, Josh The Journey na siya ulit, and di ko na ikakat to. Diretso na to, and see you guys next time. Bye. Alright, peace.